Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. Sometimes I think about very good person like Dale Carnegie or Napoleon Hill or Grant Cardone, because these guys are motivate for make something better, for change my life. Check this one. It's really super interesting. Think and grow rich. So many pages and everything about how to make money, how to be a successful guy. Anyway, I hope there will a day when somebody asks me, how did you do it? How you get a lot of money? How did you create some company or create some great movie? I hope it will be, but now I'm just nobody. I'm nothing here in this country, in the world, and nobody know about me. I need to do something for create. And now you can see my screen. Everything is about how to make money, how to make your life, how much money should you charge for your client. Everything is about it. And now I'm thinking that I was a really productive guy, because I woke up very early. I did my breakfast, went to the gym, and my day was like full of things. And I was proud of me, because I really was tired after the long day. And a lot of people told me that I have to be very careful if I move to America, because life here is so expensive. I mean, the rent, the car credit, the internet connection and different stuff. And I was very close to exactly that guy that I want to be, because I'm starting to shoot some videos for my friends. I just try to understand how to make really good content here in this country, because I used to film a lot when I was in Russia. Yes, I'm from Russia, if you don't know about it. Anyway, it doesn't matter right now, because it's super boring if I will cry like a baby. And just check my notebook, because I wrote so many goals for this month. So this is my notebook, and I really try to write my goals for every month and sometimes for every week if I'm not lazy. And look at this, how can I sell my skills? And I wrote just 3 things, like video, photo and knowledge. I mean, I used to shoot a lot of video stuff, like for YouTube, commercial, promotion, event video, music video, backstage, drone footage, personal YouTube, like for somebody. And I used to shoot a lot of photo session, like for wedding, drone footage, event, like the same here. But here, my knowledge, like tutorial, like this stuff, and social media marketing, if I will, very good person. So I have so many ways how to make money, how to be rich in this country, because it's very important for me. And look at this, everyone in this world have 1 year, 12 months and 4 weeks in these months, 7 days. And what will you do every day? I mean, what is your habits, what is your goals, what is your general idea of this life? And in the middle of page I wrote flexible meaning, and this means my production company. Just a new page with 2 followers and 2 following guys, just 5 posts, and everything that I can, I do. I have a really simple plan. I will find some guys and write like, hey, my name is Ari, I just moved to Los Angeles, give me little credit, and I'd like to shooting something with you, like together to create something good, some content, and if you are interested, just let me know. That's it. And if I will write to like 10 people, they answer me, and I hope just one person will be my client. And this is what I did all this day. And some things makes me crazy, because I try to think about everything to keep in my mind. I mean, about marketing, about content, even about my body, because I was playing in soccer today, and those guys were very cool players and I was nothing. And now there is one way how to feel better: just go sleep. are in Home Depot right now. We took 2 plants. I think it's look very pretty. This is mine. This is for Nadine. Hey, what's up? I'd like to take something, but I really don't need it. I don't know why, because it's look very pretty and cool, and I like to take everything. And for me, this is exactly Los Angeles vibe. I don't know how to explain, but if I go to New York City, I don't know, there is no some plants and trees, just Central Park and that's it. But if you walking in Los Angeles, you can see so many green colors, and this is really cool. And I have a message from first client, and I have 2 or 3 clients right now. And I have to call her and tell about my prices and about this project. So it's good news. It's really work. And I hope there will be a day when I wake up early, go to the gym, make my breakfast, and then go to shooting, and my day will absolutely fantastic. Did you find something?
Yes.
This one for fruits and for flowers.
Yes.
But we have 3.
Flowers.
We have 3. We have flowers.
I have only flowers.
Got it. It's already evening. We just finished our plants because we have so many plants right now. I mean the flowers. I would to show you everything, but it's so dark outside. I turn it off, this light, and you can see pink color. I like it. It looks so mystic right now. I really like it because I can change my temperature and make everything different. Wow, look at that. And I just edited my backstage video from some music video. That guy was invited me to this project. It was really interesting. And now I understand that I need to change my skill, make it better. I did best as I could, but I need more practice and more experience if I want to make a music video. I'm really happy to shooting something because it's super interesting for me. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you like everything. I will learn my English. So see you guys next time. Bye.